Hello, now let's look at the solution for this exercise. We're on Dashboard 2 page and we'll reorganize the three charts. We'll leave space for the map we'll bring from the dashboard page. We'll remove gender from the map, keeping only the bubbles. Now, we'll add a year range filter to this dashboard. First, let's finish adjusting the images. We now have space at the top for filters. Next, click on the dashboard canvas and select the slicer. We'll move year to the field section. Let's test if the filter works and updates all charts. Let's save our work.